We need them. This is a doctor. This is a carpenter. This is a mechanic. This is a plumber. This is a cobbler. And this is a barber. This is a tailor. And this is a policeman. This is a watchman. Lastly, this is a teacher.